It's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably an Audi. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. It comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, and Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.